Hi everyone. One of the most common questions I get is, how can I make more money? How can I do better? And it's really interesting, but most people get shocked when I say this, and that is, you must simplify to multiply. The problem with most agents is they're doing too many things that they're not doing well. In order to make more money, you actually have to cut some things out of your business. In order to make more money, you have to simplify what you're doing to multiply your result. So I always tell people, it's not just about doing more to get more, it's about doing the right things in your business, having a system, having processes, simplifying those systems, but getting them better, having people be able to work with you and go, wow, that was a fantastic experience. So it's not about doing more to make more money, it's about doing the right things in a simpler manner at a higher quality level. So I'd love you to join me at my upcoming seminar, The Phoenix Factor. I cannot wait to share with you how you can simplify some things in your business to help you get where you really need to go. And for many agents, they'll say to me, I just don't have another hour in the day. And if that's you, you need to be at this seminar, because that's who I really want to help. I want to help you simplify your business, multiply your life, and make more money.